In front of me is REDBEAT E3 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Now wait for the pop-up and choose consent. Then click on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those settings however you want to. Finally, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Yes. Set Wallpaper, and here decide where you wish to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!